The line between gaming and training is about to disappear. Welcome to Wonderfitter. This is the world's first AL shooting arsenal. Introducing the M416 Smart Rifle. Full scale, powerful, and built for precision. Every grip, every trigger pull, every jolt of recoil, engineered with pro-level realism, yet 100% laser safe. Swap magazines, rack the slide, build authentic muscle memory. Powered by our AI drill engine, every session delivers real-time insights, VR mode, full body, full sensory immersion. Play top Steam VR titles. No plastic gimmicks, just authentic, kinetic feedback. Whether you're training solo or going head-to-head, you're part of a connected community. Track your stats. Climb the global leaderboard. The M17 Smart Pistol. Compact, responsive, and motor-driven for true recoil. Powered by our AL chip and backed by a growing VR game library. Built for homes, ready for VR domes. Mobile mode. Grab and go. No setup needed. This isn't a toy, it's your smart training system. Anytime, anywhere. The Holy 3 Smart Bow. Elegant tension, smooth release. Feel the real 12 pounds bowstring. One platform. 3 ways to train, play, and move. Grab your Wonderfitter arsenal today.